everyone, so today we have got the Pretty Little Thing advent calendar unboxed for you guys. This advent calendar costs £55, so it's either around about the same price or just a tiny touch more than last year's, but it's definitely not like hiked up in price. This is a 24-day advent calendar as far as I believe, and it, like I say, it costs £55. It works out at £2.29 a day, so it's actually, even though it seems quite pricey for like Pretty Little Things, I feel like maybe £45–50 like my price point for Pretty Little Thing, it's actually, even though it's like one of the more pricier, like it seems more pricier, it's actually one of the more cheaper ones per day that we've actually unboxed, so hopefully it's worth it. We're going to get into it anyways. This is what the packaging looks like here. I feel like it looks very Victoria's Secret-esque. I actually really quite like the packaging this year. Like, I feel like it's aimed at its age range, that Pretty Little Thing go for, do you know what I mean? So this is it opened up and I'm so excited. Right, we're on day number 1 anyway, so £2.29 a day, remember. We cannot really go wrong, but we'll see. Right, first item. We've got a Peaches and Creams Hotline Lip Liner, and I feel like we've had this shade of lip liner and advent calendars this year. So is this the colour of like lips, like that 90s brown with a very clear lip gloss lip sort of thing? I like it though. That's definitely my sort of thing. And Peaches and Cream lip liners are really nice. It's not a full size lip liner though. It's like a half a size, I would say. But that would last me forever. That, to me, I don't need a lip liner. That's massive. So that's day number 1. We want day number 2, which is, yeah, feeling heavy. Everything seems to be wrapped in tissue up now. We have got the Bondi Sands Hydra UV Protect SPF 50. This is what it looks like here. So I don't think it's an actual tan. I think it's just SPF. Kind of the wrong time for that, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, but I mean, you'll use it in the summer, but yeah, I'm just thinking, I don't know, because I do like getting SPFs in like other advent calendars, like Korean beauty ones, but I don't know, for the Pretty Little Thing I would have wanted it to be a fake tan, I don't know, but okay, it's a good size candy-ish item. That's day number 2. We want day number 3 is this one here. I suppose it's just not exciting, is it? Right, next we've got some tweezers. Fab. I need some tweezers in my life. So, these are Pretty Little Thing brand tweezers, but you've got one pair really pointy, a flat edge, and then a curved edge. I really like this day. I like that we're getting 3. We're getting options of 3. No, I like that day. I do. I like that day. That was day number 3. That is a very useful product for me because chin hair. Right, we want day number 4, which is up here. We have got the Star Skin, the Gold Eye Mask, Vitalising Luxury Gold Foil Eye Masks. Love these type of products. As I'm in my 30s now, I feel like I just love to use these type of products. I feel like they really, I don't know whether they give me visible results, but they just feel nice. They feel it's like I'm doing something for my eyes, for my eye wrinkles, for tiredness. So yeah, I do love these type of products, and Star Skin is quite a good brand. I do like their like face mask things. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Day number 4. And to be honest, I'd rather have eye patches than a full sheet mask, if I'm being honest, because I'm more likely going to use them, because I can get like the rest, like get my eye makeup or do my hair with them on, whereas I can't really do that with a sheet mask. So that's day number 4. Went to day number 5, which is this one down here. We have got a hairband. Oh, I love this. It's actually from Sunkissed. So Pretty Little Thing do sell Sunkissed products. I think it would have been nice if they put like a Sunkissed lip gloss in with it, with the hairband, you know, something like a Sunkissed beauty product. But this is a Sunkissed branded headband. I love that. I really do. I love these type of things. And anyways, I do think it would have been cute if they put like a Sunkissed lip gloss in, but that's just me being a right nitpick. And I do love getting them items, and that is something I will use. Day number 6, which is here. We have got something from Mermaid. It is Hold It Right Here, there, your hype girl in wax foam. Oh, it's a hairstyling wax stick. I've seen loads of people use these, but I've never actually used them, and I've been wanting one, so I'm so happy I've got one. Because I wear my hair up a lot now. Oh, it smells lovely and all. I'm so excited about that. I'm so excited because I have like little flyaways. I don't know. Oh, you can't really see them there. Oh, well, you can see them up there. I think this would be great for when I'm wearing my hair up because them flyaways just stay there. So yeah, I love that day. I'm so chuffed with that day. And on day number 7, which is this one here. If you get rustling, my cat's in the box that this box came in. Oh, we've got something in a box. We have got the Flutter Baby Sponge by Pink Honey. Have you heard of this brand? I haven't heard of this brand, but that is their sponge. I love the shape of this sponge. It's very much like one of the girls I watch on YouTube, Makeup by Alex Kate. Her little mango sponge is shaped like that. Yeah, so that's nice. I like it's got its own box and all, always a win, because then you can gift it if you're not like a sponge user. So that's day number 7. We went to day number 8, which is down here. Oh, I've actually been wanting some of this sort of stuff. This is, and it's very Pretty Little Thing brand, to be honest. Like, this is the Get Boosted double-sided body tape. I've been wanting some of this stuff. I've been really wanting to try like body tape and stuff like that. So I'm so chuffed I've got some. I'm really chuffed with that item. I would have liked it if we got a roll of body tape too, not just strips. But I am really happy with that item. And I do think it suits like the Pretty Little Thing brand. Day number 9, which is up here. We have got the Brushworks Microfiber Wrist Wash Band. These are massive at the minute. I feel like we've had quite a few of these type of products. Sorry, I've just had to change the angle just a little bit because the camera was like dying on me. So I've had to like put it on charge. So this is the, like I say, these are very popular at the minute, and they're definitely like a thing that is been in a lot of advent calendars, but I'm quite happy. I like that they've come in the box. I like that it's Brushworks brand, because I do really like Brushworks brand. So that is day number 9. We want day number 10, which is down in this bottom corner here, and I'm trying not to knock this wire. We have got, I think, false lashes by the shade. We have got, no, it is from the WBCO soap brows with a spoolie. I've never tried these. I've got very like sparse brows, so I just feel like soap brows are just not something I could use. But if any of you have got sparse brows and you do soap brows, please let me know. So this is the product there, and it's definitely like a more, it's definitely an on-trend sort of product that we're getting. You know, it's a product that people are using. So I'm happy with that, actually. And it, again, suits the Pretty Little Thing brand. So that was day number 10. Day number 11, which is up here, and it's quite a large one. We have got, what have we got? We've got another Brushworks product. How fab are these for gifting, though? Like, say if you've already got them or you don't need them and they come in these lovely box. This is the Brushworks Triangular Powder Puff Duo. I've had these and they're really quite a nice puff. Really nice, quite a puff actually. Let's see if I can get them open to show you one. Yeah, I'm sure I got them in a previous calendar last year, and that's how I've tried them before. No, my friend Sharon actually sent me them. That's how I've had them before. So this is the large one here. Really quite nice, lovely feeling. And then you have the smaller one. So the ones I got off my Sharon, off my friend Sharon, my niece stole the smaller one and I kept the bigger one. And I really liked them. Really liked them. Day number 11. We want day number 12, which is here, and it was flinging at me. Alright, another thing wrapped in tissue. We've got a Carmex product. I feel like we always get a Carmex product in the Pretty Little Thing advent calendar. So we have got the Peach Mango Carmex lip balm here. I'm not actually the biggest fan of Carmex lip products. I think they're a bit thick for me personally. And lip balms, I struggle with lip balms, to be honest, but really good product. And I know someone in my life who loves Carmex lip products. So yeah, that will go to a good home. So that is day number 12. We're to day number 13, up in this top corner here. Everything has been wrapped in tissue, everything. we have got something from Project Lip. I love Project Lip products. This is the Lip Buff Scrub and Smooth product. It says scrub and buff onto your lips in circular motions. Rinse with warm water rinse with warm water for super soft, smooth and plump lips. And this is what it looks like here. I love Project Lip products, so I'm so happy about this. It smells really nice. It smells fruity. Yeah, I'm dead excited about that. And I love the colour of the packaging. Absolutely love the colour of the packaging. Right, that was 13. We went day number 14, which is this one. Yeah. We have got lash curlers. I feel like we get this every year. They're just Pretty Little Thing brand lash curlers. Very simple. Something I use pretty much every day. So yeah, good little product to have. Good little like restock of a product. That was 14. We want 15, which is here. I love these. These are so pretty. We have got the Pretty Little Thing like hair ones, like what just flatten your hair out when you're like doing your makeup and that. But these are such a bonny colour, like a bonny design. I think they're really bonny. I like them. I like the colour. I like the design of them. Yeah, I like that day. That was 15. We want 16. We have got the Plump It Volume. We have got the Plump It Volumizing Lip Oil. Now, I think I've still got mine, and this is, if I remember rightly, pretty intense. This is what it looks like here. Yeah, I can see why people like this, because if it's the one I'm thinking of, it's pretty intense. So that is a good little product, because I actually do like the one I've got when I use it. So that's day number 16, and that's a full-size product, by the way. We want day number 17, which is up here. I feel like these are lashes. Yeah, we have got my niece loves these. We got these last year. And I give them to my niece, so they'll probably go to my niece for her birthday or something. But it's the Land of Lashes, the full minx lashes, reusable and cruelty free, and she loved them last year, and they looked really nice on actually. Just I'm not really a lash wearer, not for me. Yeah, so they look really nice, and like I can say, I know these look nice on because of the exact same ones. I'm sure they are that I got last year, and my niece will be very happy with them. So that's 17. We're day number 18, which is this one here. Oh, we got another pair of lashes. Another pair of lashes in the next day. I think they should have mixed that up. I'm not the biggest fan of how they are right now, each other. These look really nice, though. These look like something I would wear and I may keep for myself. They're the Obsessed Natural and Half Lashes, and they're 100% faux mink. They are so bonny. Like, so bonny. I love the packaging on them and all. Like, I'm going to have to look up how much these actually cost, because I think they look bougie as anything. And that is them there. And these are like definitely up my tree. I'm like up my cup of tea. I love like half a lash. So yeah, these are more my style. So I'm happy with that, but I don't like that they were right near each other. And 2 lashes in one avocado. So that was 18. We're day number 19, which is up here. Oh, I love this. This is so bonny. I don't know if it's because I'm in fall mood, because I wouldn't say this is Christmas. I suppose it could be, but this is the Invisibobble Scrunchy Original. So they're actually scrunchies, but they've got the Invisibobble underneath. I actually really like this day. I love the colours. I feel like they're very fall, but I suppose they could be Christmassy too. I love them. I love that day. That's one of my favourite days, believe it or not. I love Invisibobbles. So that could be another thing and all. But yeah, how nice would that be in someone's stocking as well? That was day number 19. Right, we want day number 20. Is this our first makeup product? I feel like, oh no, we've had lip liners and stuff, haven't we? We've got the NYX Butter Gloss, but in clear. I didn't even know they'd done it in a clear, so there you go. But it looks, I love a look of a clear gloss. I just love the way clear glosses look. How stunning is that? So yeah, that's a good one. I like that day, yeah. I forget about NYX so much, you know. So that's day number 20. When day number 21. Oh, We've got something else kind of makeup-ish, I suppose. We have got the Insta Glow, which I love stuff like this. The Tanologist for Radiant Bronzed Glow Illuminating Face Bronzer. Let's have a look at this, because this is definitely like something that sounds gorgeous. And these type of products at the minute are becoming really popular, aren't they? But this is it here. Oh, that is really bonny and quite subtle. I like that. So can you see? So that's my side of my hand without it, and that's my side with hand and my side of my hand with it. No, I like that. That's a really nice subtle day. I'm happy with that. That was day number 21, and that's like a full size. Went to 22, which is this one here. I love this product. It's small, but I do love this product. It's one of my favourite products, and I haven't had it for so long. It is the Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity Vitamins Bronze and Water Serum. I'm so happy to have this in my life. I really am. I'm so happy that this is in my life again. Thank you so much. And this a little goes a long way. So 22. We went 23. We have got another Project Lip product, and I own this product and it's really nice. It's the Plump and Fill in the shade Play, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, I own this product. Really quite a nice product. That was 23. And then our last day, day 24, our last day. Let's see. Oh, please, no. So our last day is a hair clip. It's quite a big hair clip. I think this is like a hair clip for my sister's hair. She's got really thick hair. That is one big hair clip. Like, I can't even open it. Oh, there. I got it. I couldn't open it at first. But yeah, day 23 is a hair clip. I feel like that should have went through the days, and we should have something like a bit more exciting for the last day. So I'm not going to lie, when I read the content list for this advent calendar, I was like, this seems really bad for the money. It wasn't exciting to me or anything like that. And now that I've unboxed it, I definitely feel like it is better. I don't think it's one that I would say rush out and purchase, personally, in my opinion. But I feel like it's aimed at a certain type of age range. I feel like this advent calendar is aimed at a 18 to 20 year old, maybe 18 to 22 young teenage lasses who are going out like with their friends on a weekend, and they're using body tape, they're using a lot of fashion body tape, they're using a lot of false lashes, overdrawn their lips sort of style. So like you've got lip plumpers, you've got Project Lips, you've got false tan type items, bronzing type items. I feel like it's aimed at between 18 and young 20-year-olds who are going out with their friends on the weekend and having fun, which to be honest is a lot of Pretty Little Things like style, in my opinion. Like a lot of their stuff is in that style. So for me, it wasn't for me, and for £55 I feel like it was a bit but I definitely can see who it's aimed at, but I wouldn't rush out and purchase it. But I don't think it's too bad. I've definitely, like, when you think about it, the Revolution advent calendar is £48. Yeah, so they're pretty similar in price points, and it's really depending on the type of items you like, because I know body tape isn't cheap. I know like a lot of body bronzing products aren't cheap. I know false lashes aren't cheap. So yeah, so, and they're branded names of products, whereas like Revolution's just Revolution brand, Revolution products, and Revolution is a budget brand. Whether they're trying to not be a budget brand, that's a different question. Yeah. So, in my opinion, I feel like I would wait, because I think this will go down to about £40, and then I think it's probably at the right price point. But it's definitely aimed at a certain age range. Yeah. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!